Welcome to our channel ERP Experts. Today we are gonna talking safety protocols in oil and gas terminals, best practices and key strategies. Welcome to our video on safety protocols in oil and gas terminals. Safety is at the heart of every operation in this industry, and nowhere is it more critical than in terminal management. Today, we're exploring the essential practices that help keep operations safe, efficient, and compliant. Why safety is crucial in oil and gas terminals. Oil and gas terminals are bustling hubs where the transfer, storage, and transportation of oil and gas products happen. These operations carry inherent risks, flammability, environmental hazards, and high-pressure systems, all of which make safety protocols an absolute priority. Identifying key hazards in terminals. First, let's identify the major hazards present in an oil and gas terminal. These can include flammable gases, pressurized systems, toxic chemicals, and heavy machinery, each requiring careful handling and protocols. A comprehensive safety program addresses all potential risks to ensure the safety of workers, the environment, and the surrounding community. Safety training and awareness programs. One of the most critical elements of safety is education. Employees must be trained on standard operating procedures, emergency protocols, and safe handling of materials. Regular safety training sessions and refreshers help ensure that everyone is prepared for unexpected situations. Did you know? Effective safety training can reduce workplace accidents by up to 40%, and it's not just about training. Fostering a culture of safety awareness, where employees feel responsible and alert, can prevent many accidents before they happen. Personal protective equipment. Workers donning various PPE, hard hats, gloves, goggles, fire-resistant clothing. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is a frontline defense. Common PPE for oil and gas terminals includes hard hats, flame-resistant clothing, gloves, and eye protection. PPE isn't just about meeting standards, it's about protecting each individual in case of an emergency. Each piece of PPE is designed with specific hazards in mind. Make sure you're wearing the right gear for the task at hand. Fire prevention and suppression systems. Given the flammable nature of oil and gas, fire prevention and suppression systems are essential. Terminals are equipped with fire extinguishers, sprinkler systems, and specialized fire suppression agents. Employees are also trained in fire response, understanding how to react immediately if a fire breaks out. Types of fire suppression agents, e.g., water mist, foam systems, dry chemical agents, emergency response planning. Emergency response plans are not optional, they are mandatory and detailed. Every terminal has a tailored plan for evacuations, firefighting, spill containment, and communication with emergency responders. Regular drills help employees familiarize themselves with evacuation routes and emergency roles. In a crisis, every second counts, and knowing what to do can save lives. Hazard communication and signage. Proper signage is crucial in keeping everyone informed and cautious. Signs indicate hazardous areas, restricted zones, and other vital warnings. Clear communication of potential hazards keeps employees alert and reminds them to follow protocols at all times. Terminal operators also use color-coded systems and universal symbols to convey hazards quickly. This approach minimizes the chance of accidents due to misunderstandings. Routine inspections and maintenance. Routine inspections and maintenance are essential to ensure that every part of the terminal operates smoothly and safely. Equipment failure is a leading cause of accidents, so regularly inspecting tanks, pipes, valves, and fire suppression systems is critical. Through proactive maintenance, potential issues are caught early, preventing major accidents down the line. Always remember, in safety, prevention is the best cure. Creating a culture of safety accountability. Creating a safe work environment is not only about protocols and equipment. It's about fostering a culture where safety is everyone's responsibility. Here with me is John, a terminal manager, to talk about how they encourage safety accountability. We encourage our team to speak up if they see something unsafe, and to report near misses. This way, we can continuously improve our practices and prevent future incidents. Safety as a continuous priority. Safety in oil and gas terminals is more than just following rules. It's about protecting people, the environment, and assets. Every protocol, from PPE to emergency drills, plays a role in making sure each shift ends without incident.